Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do the weekly setup for the week of Thanksgiving in my work planner, which is in this burgundy Moterm A5 disc bound cover. I am using printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. These are previous spreads that we've done. I'm trying to get ahead, so we will be doing the week of the 21st through the 24th. Okay, set it aside. Here we go. Yep. Yeah. All right. So I've gone into the vault for my Cookie Sticker Co. sunflower washi. As you can see, I don't really have that much left. And I'm also going to be using the Stardust and Bow washi from Simply Gilded. I am using my favorite sunflowers and pumpkins together. This is from Let's Get Planned. I'm using this for the weekly setup. And I'll probably end up pulling some boxes either from my boxes that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites or from CHELA Plan, or both. And I don't know if you can hear the lawnmower outside, but I decided to go ahead and record now because I need to get this done. And I was excited to use this washi. So this doesn't specifically match these sunflowers, but I am going to use it anyway, and we will make it work. So I'm using this at the footer, inside the box. I should probably go outside of the box, but I'm just on the inside of the box roll right now. All right, let's do, I think the yellow up at the top would be best. Not sure how we're going to incorporate that green, and we may end up using a different green altogether. We'll see how it goes. So I think I can use some boxes from this CHELA Plan book. This is Roy G. Biv, Boxes and Florals by CHELA Plan, Volume 2. So let's see, we can use these orange boxes. I always start with the big box over here. Are there any more boxes? Ooh, nope. I think there's some green ones in here too. Let's see. I'll use another big one. Might as well use them. Use them. Speak English. Let's use a small green one. Over here. I know it's ripping, but I gotta straighten that up. It's just too crooked. It's still a mess. Yikes on bikes. You're gonna have to use some deco to cover that up. Or this sticker right here. Let's put this on Friday and try to get it straight. All right, so those are the boxes that we are going with. Let's put down the deco, this beautiful sticker here. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so that's gonna go here. I may not use all of these, but I think I should use the pumpkins because the others can be used another time during the year, actually. I mean, all of them can be, but you know, let's go for the pumpkins. All right, and then the doll can go here. I'm gonna put this for Thanksgiving. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Or, nope, this one. Okay, that's kind of wonky, but it'll be fine. Then here's another pumpkin. Kind of want to put it over here. Let's go for it. All right, doll. It's kind of naked at the top. Maybe I won't be able to save any for another spread. We might need to use all of these, which I'm okay with that. Okay. Let's go on and finish this sheet. See, I get pulled into the sunflowers, really. Okay. I'm gonna put this one here. This one over here. That still looks messed up. Oh, that looks horrible. Where's my ruler? Let's see if I can smooth it out. Okay. That kind of covers it up a little bit. So we finished a sheet. We don't have a lot of room to write, but it is the week of Thanksgiving. And let's use this sticker right here that says getting things done. That is from Mina's Happy Life on Etsy. I'll link to them in the description box below, and everything else that I can link to will be there as well. I'm going to use this today sticker. Maybe I better not put it over there. Let's put it over here. Nope. Let's put it right here. I think that's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I do have room to write. It's a little busy, but that seems to be my style lately. Should I put more stickers down? Let's see. What else do I have that I can use as far as scripts? I don't have many script stickers that I can use in my work planner. Let's try this week from Crafting by the Pound. Let's use this one. Okay, yeah. All right, let's get some bullet points going. I found a way to kind of do like the half circle instead of going through the trouble of cutting them. If you just use the same color as your box and place them on the edge of the box, then you can kind of get that look. You just have to be careful not to go over the edge. I think I am done. Let's pop this back in and see what it looks like. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but maybe not. All right, so here we go. I think it's bright. It's not dull. I think it's a pretty decent Thanksgiving spread, fall spread. So the bottom washi is sunflower washi from Cookie Sticker Co. The top washi, the bow washi, is from Simply Gilded. The pumpkins and sunflower deco and the doll are from Let's Get Planned. The thankful quote is also from Let's Get Planned. The today and getting things done scripts are from Mina's Happy Life. The boxes and dots are from CHELA Plan. And the inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.